Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of Thanksgiving decor with the JOYIN 3PC's Thanksgiving Turkey Tabletop Centerpiece decor. This charming set includes 3 beautifully crafted resin turkey figurines that are sure to bring the festive spirit into your home. The left turkey, adorned with a top hat, proudly displays a "Happy Thanksgiving" message, while the 2 turkeys on the right hold a pumpkin, all designed with intricate details and warm autumn colors. These elegant statues are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your desk, shelf, kitchen tiered tray, or fireplace mantle, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere for family gatherings and festive dinners. Made from high-quality resin, these durable centerpieces are stable and won't easily tip over, ensuring a worry-free display and storage. Whether you place them on your kitchen tiered tray, dinner centerpiece, or entryway, these adorable turkey figurines will welcome your guests with a warm touch. So, arrange them to your liking, and let them infuse your home with the joy of Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.